Okay. So we're here at CES 2020 and Acer is unveiling the Concept D7 Ezel and the Ezel Pro. And so what these are, beautiful white aluminum workstations. And there are 2-in-1s, but not the way you think. See, the panel goes up like this, and it could fold flat just like this. So 180 degrees, perfect movement. You don't have to flip around things or anything. You just fold the display flat down. And there's a nice little stylus right in this dock. You pull out, it's not battery, so it won't run out of charge on you. You start writing on the display, easy, simple, get to work. And you have these super clicky keys on the keyboard, orange backlighting. You got a smooth glass touchpad. Webcam on top, not on the bottom. Great, 10 out of 10. So the Ezel has a 4K Pantone validated display. It's super bright, it's vivid, it's colorful, love it. It has a nice little cutout for the vent up here, so it's gonna stay quiet. I believe it's under 40 decibels. And so the difference between the Ezel and the Ezel Pro, the Ezel is more consumer-based, so you're gonna get RTX graphics from either 2060 or 2080. And the Pro, you're gonna get the RTX Quadro graphics, so that's 3000 or 5000. For the processors, you'll get up to the latest 10th gen Intel Core processors. On the regular Ezel and on the Pro Ezel, you'll get Intel Xeon processors. So the regular Ezel is gonna start at $2699 and the Pro is gonna start at $3099. It's pretty pricey, but this is a gorgeous machine. I can't wait to get it in the shop and see what it does on our tests. For more laptops, tablets, and pretty much everything at CES 2020, stay tuned to Laptop Mag. I'm Rami Tabari.